Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. Currently we're looking at the dollar card. All right, so for dollar card, we have been in a very nice, good, bullish order flow. All right, good. So we can see that basically has been buying. Good. So I'm not going to, yes, explain much on how we get to see the bullish order flow, but let's take a look at right from right here to that high there. All right, let's stretch it alt like that. Good. This was the last swing that I was looking at, right? And then we have from here all the way here. Right, this range that was created, we've got a price coming to trade below equilibrium in here, and then basically staying there and not going anywhere. Even though the moment that we come below the equilibrium here, we'll be expecting for price to be drawn onto this high here. Nevertheless, eventually we had a very nice good push, right? And then we had market structure break on the lower side, and then quickly uh, trade on the lower side, and then now we are trading below this low here. So we could safely say that we have taken sell side liquidity, but doesn't necessarily mean that price is now going to reverse all the way up there, even though okay, let's zoom out. Well, let's zoom in a little bit more. Okay. Right, even though if we see here, right, how price has moved towards the downside here, right, okay, we are now, right, creating, right, something like this, even though it hasn't been confirmed, right, because here would like to see a very nice, good fractal, which would then lead to us seeing a very clear reverso. And once that's done, me personally, I would prefer to start trading above equilibrium zone in here to target this low. But then short term wise, let's if we mark the bottoms here, we then mark this one right there, and slightly below it, we've got this bearish order block as well. We're going to be considering that in our sales. So taking a look at the other correlating pairs, right, we are going to be expecting to see some reaction, right, as soon as we get into this zone. Yeah, one thing that I also want us to take note is, right, the retail support and resistance, right, in this zone as well, right there. Right, if we stretch it out, we can't completely ignore it. Right, it is still there. So it's something that we just need to keep at the back of our minds as well. All right, so let's zoom in. Good. So this pair right here, I will be expecting to have price open and trade high into this bearish order block. And then if you're marking from here, just above here, we've got here an old low, which I believe that price could as well get up there. But nevertheless, here we have buy side liquidity. We have the bearish order block in here. We have got a fair value gap that we've created, which I think we'll seek to close. So I expect prices to open, trade higher once we get in any one of these zones here, right? I then will see how price reacts. So hopefully we get to see market structure breaks, and then we trade low, right? With our initial take profit is going to be any low that's created here before this reverso, and any other low, short-term lows that we create as we go, we can use them to take a profit. Good. And then let's see here. This is 1.3480 institutional level. Right, that can be another area of interest as we seek and look for where to take profit. All right, yes. Good. So basically, let me zoom in like that. Good. We want to see this happening right there. Good. Market structure breaks on the downside. Good. And we're going to be aiming this zone right here. 135 big figure. Before that, we've got the 134.80 institutional level. So this is what I have for you guys on the dollar card for this coming week.